The hustle, the grind, the fire inside. Island pride, we rise, we don't hide. This is for the ones who dream, who fight. Island blood, we bring the light. I'm up before the sun, dreams heavy on my mind. Fam on my back, yeah, I'm one of a kind. No 9 to 5 can hold me, I'm carving my own lane. A vision so clear, no time to complain. They told me play it safe, keep your head down low. But I'm aiming for the stars where the trade winds blow. Grinding every day like the waves on the reef. Can't break this warrior, I'm built on belief. Forget the doubts, leave fear in the past. Life's a journey, not a sprint, but I'm built to last. The dream's alive, I can feel it so near. Island grind, no room for fear. Dream big, grind hard, never look back. Every setback's a setup, keep your life on track. Use your mind, find the grind, push past the tears. The dream life's coming, it's closer than it appears. Stay focused, don't stop, keep your vision clear. We don't fear failure, only standing still here. Dream big, grind hard, that's what we're about. Island vibe, hustle, no time for doubt. Yo, excuse me, but I'm breaking the mold. This ain't the rat race, I'm chasing pure gold. My ancestors sailed the seas with stars in their sight. So why should I settle for anything light? Thinking outside the box, I'm building my reign. Entrepreneurial mindset, breaking the chain. Island vibes with modern ambition. Every move calculated, call it precision. Never scared to fail, cause failure's a teacher. Got the heart of a lion and wisdom of a preacher. So I rise up, love leads the way. Grinding for the life I've dreamed every day. Dream big, grind hard, never look back. Every setback's a setup, keep your life on track. Use your mind, find the grind, push past the tears. The dream life's coming, it's closer than it appears. Stay focused, don't stop, keep your vision clear. We don't fear failure, only standing still here. Dream big, grind hard, that's what we're about. Island vibe, hustle, no time for doubt. Keep the fire burning, let the rhythm guide. Feel the ocean's power, let it fuel your pride. You're a warrior, a dreamer, a king in the making. Every step forward, history shaping. Keep going, it's your time to shine. With every beat of the drum, reclaim your line. From the islands to the world, let the culture glow. Hard work, ambition, let the manna flow. We're more than the struggle, more than the grind. We're builders of futures, creators of time. So forget the doubters, their noise ain't the truth. Stay rooted in your purpose like the wisdom of youth. Every obstacle's a stepping stone to the throne. Keep climbing, keep fighting, you're never alone. You got the power, the vision, the heart to achieve. Keep pushing, keep striving, driving. Dream big, grind hard, never look back. Every setback's a setup, keep your life on track. Use your mind, find the grind, push past the tears. The dream life's coming, it's closer than it appears. Stay focused, don't stop, keep your vision clear. We don't fear failure, only standing still here. Dream big, grind hard, that's what we're about. Island vibe, hustle, no time for doubt.